here, we have the intelligent planter. Has everything you need for the water, for the light, and this thing helps you grow 50% faster than if you were trying to grow it the traditional way. Intelligent planter by a Hope Garden. Woo! We have the instruction right there. That's how you plant all the stuff right there. Watch your plants grow. Oh, nice. Yep, up to 3 liters of water right there. That's your water level. Up to 3 liters of water. As your plant grow, you can grow with the plant. You have the grow light to grow with you. The grow light can grow. As your plant grows, this thing can grow up. Nice. And look at those LEDs up there. Some awesome LEDs. You have 8 pods in there for your food, for your plant food. You have the water fill right here. We have the water knob right here. Nice. Open up the top. Dun, dun. Oh, happy gardening. Seeds are not included. We have this right here. Happy gardening. Good stuff right there. This stuff right here. Happy gardening. Happy gardening. You have some plant food in here. Some extra pods. Some good stuff right there. Open. We have all these little cups right here. We have some little labelers right here. These stickers right here. We have a lot of stuff, guys. It's a whole project for you to have planting. Happy gardening is good for you to plant stuff and see it grow. We got the plant food right there. 2 plant foods right here. The AC adapter. This plugs into the wall. This plugs into your planter to give it some light. This thing has light for plants. This thing has lights for vegetable plants and fruit plants. You got a little pump right there to pump the water. Good stuff. This thing is really good stuff. And you have the water outlet right here. Drain the water. You have up to 3 liters of water. Dude, this thing has everything for you to plant. It's awesome. Plug in the AC adapter right there. Look at those lights. These lights are bright. These lights are blinding bright. You have the different modes. You have the power button, and you got the water mode, the vegetable mode, and you got the fruit mode, the power button for the light. The lights are so freaking bright. Look inside. You got the pump right there. You got everything you need, guys. You got some stuff like this for gardening. I know you have so much. Let's explore lots of happy gardening stuff. Look. That light is intense. And you put this on a timer. Good stuff right there. You have some instruction manual so you know how to grow your plant. You have more instruction manual on an intelligent planter from a Hope Garden. You got some plant food right here. Plant food for you to grow. All the stuff you need right here. That's how you grow your garden. Then you get the pods on top. See, right here, you got the pods. Put the pods on. This thing can go up and down depending on your height of your plant. Look, when your plants are starting, you can start down here. When your plants grow, you can bring it up to grow with the plant. You can grow with the planter right here. You have different color lights for fruits and vegetable. For vegetable, this light. For fruits, this light. Different color light. This is the intelligent planter. This thing will help you grow your plants 50% faster than normal conventional method. And this has everything you need to grow your plants. This is the indoor garden hydroponic growing system right here. Let's make some plants. Let's grow. Oh, yeah.